Hello YouTube, this is a video today to show you how to charge the AC in your Dodge Journey XT. Now this thing is a little bit tricky to find. I have a few seconds of difficulty trying to find it, but first you remove this covering right here. It's just 4 studs that holds it together. There you go. Take that out of the way, and then you follow right where the latch of the hood is, right there, straight all the way over into the back side here. And if you look all the way up here, you will see it right there. So now the location is once again from the latch of the hood straight all the way to the back side. Remember, now you're looking for your low pressure hose. This one right here is going to be your high pressure. And then right over here, up underneath, is going to be your low pressure. And that's the one you want to find to connect your hose to. Now you connect and you recharge. Stay cool. Stay cool, America. Stay cool.